Hello, what's up? This is B-Boy Tech back with another video. So, right now I am back from school. It's been a while since I've done a last video. That is because of school. I am still around. I'm still doing things in the background. I'm making money online. If you can see here, we have my MacBook Air working, getting me money. We have my computer with a little of BlueStacks working and getting me more rewardable money. We have Swagbucks working over there. We have CoinMe working and a few other things. And yes, this is my L-shaped desk that you have seen on eCash Society if you watched it. The video. But today's video, recently I have received my 901 for the A+. I need the 902. That is what else I'm working on. Today's video though, enough about me talking about myself, is about this. This here is for the PlayStation 4 right over here. Right here. The PlayStation 4 is the 400 gigabyte model, and it is running out of space. We're going to move this out of the way. But this is running out of space, and I need more storage to play this game. Yep. So this was 2 Black Friday deals my mother has gotten me. So this is one of them. And this is another. Now you may be saying, wait a second. Let's look at that. Let's look at that. Yes, I do have another external hard drive. This is a 2 terabyte, but this is only for my computers. So movies, music, anything like that. For this, to that. And we can see over here, Swagbucks with their little next thing. Let's go ahead and click that. Let's go back down. So I'm actually going to use a toolkit, one of my tools, to help me open this up. So we're on top of the box. There we go. Slice that open. I am doing this with, trying to do this with one hand as much as I can. See. I'm lean this against my hand. Whoop. Hold up real quick. There we go. Put that the right way. This is a 1 terabyte external hard drive. I'm sorry for me throwing all that stuff around. There we go. Got it outside of the box now. Throw that down there. So, this is what you guys came to see. This, the hard drive. We're gonna go ahead and pull her out. Ooh. Instructions, stuff like that. Always fun. And the cable. right here. And I'm gonna put that to the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and move over here. Look at the difference in size between the two. This one's much thinner. Hello, sorry about that, but my phone is running out of storage, and that is what I use to record on, and it's the only 16 gigabyte iPhone 6s Plus. The only iPhone that I really have charged around here that I want to use to record. So right here, here's my new for the PlayStation, and this is for the computers. So real quick, to show everything around it, here's the back. It is very, very light. It is light. It is lighter than that one. I can tell you guys that much. So, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give this a like. And to show you guys more, we have BlueStacks over here working, making me money on Rewardable. We have Swagbucks working on the HP computer too. We have CoinMe. There's a Fire tablet going to town with my points. We have a whole bunch of phones that you've seen and you will be seeing more of. We have the MacBook going to town. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys again in the next video. Subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.